Popping everybody, welcome to another trade recap. Today I'm going to be breaking down the two trades today. I took one loss and one break even trade. And the break even is super duper frustrating right now. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but I'm gonna break it down and tell what I did right, what I did wrong, and why today should have been a winning day, and how I ended up messing that up. So let's break it down. Coming into the morning, obviously we are trading above all-time highs, and when we are trading above all-time highs, you want to be very cautious. You want to understand, potential price rejection levels, and it's really just get a good grasp on where the market is at and where we have the best opportunity on trading to. So coming into the morning, I recognized that in the pre-market session, we did end up inversing this hourly that was put in during London. Inverse this, so automatically I'm bullish. However, we have standard deviation from H's Dingling range. I'm waiting for that to get tapped, most likely to see a potential rejection due to the fact that we have a lot of resting equal lows here. We have not taken, we have not taken any of the sell side down here. We have an unfilled hourly, so I'm thinking, okay, we can maybe see a rebalance because at the time, price is nowhere near equilibrium. I want to see that. So from there, I waited for us to tap stated Asian Dingling range. Ended up tapping it, getting a very nice 1 minute change in state plus a 30-second inversion. This was my first short that I took. My stop at this high, targeting the unfilled imbalances and wanting to see really continuation lowers to rebalance price before we make our move back. All right, we did not get that. That did end up failing. We put in an SMT with ES at, I believe, this low. We put in an SMT with ES here, so it did end up stopping me out, which is tragic, but live and learn. That was a very small loss on that trade. Not too bad. I only took it one contract, like a quarter of my position size, so it wasn't bad. Or a third, I'll say. I used to take 2 to 3 contracts, but yeah. That was our first position. And then the second trade I took, which I messed up badly, was right here. I took this 3-minute inversion. Once we got this 3-minute inversion, and my stop was literally like right here. I took this targeting the unfilled 5-minute, but we had this. This is what I was targeting actually. We had resting sell side within the unfilled 5-minute. This is what I wanted to see. This was gonna be initially my break even point. However, once I actually recognized it and I see where the market was trading to, I was just like, all right, I'm moving to probably take off once we tap these internal lows. I had my limit set right for inside this fair value gap here for a 1-to-1, and price ended up tapping the 5-minute right here and coming to stop me at break even, which was super painful to watch. As y'all can see, we then ended up coming back down to take it right after. Very painful to see happen, but it's on me for not recognizing that. I should have just started trailing my stop once we did tap the 5-minute, just to kind of ensure myself, something that I failed to do, and I paid the price for it. So that's that trade. Very frustrating, but living on that trade would have made me a good amount of money today. Because I did end up sizing in once we got this recovery right here. Because my stop was at this high. So we were literally, take it 2 away from my stop loss. And once we got that, I was like, all right, I can comfortably size in. Once we got this reaction right here to close back to a 30-second or the 3-minute that we previously inversed, I pyramided. So this trade would have made me a good amount of money. All my losses back plus some. But you live and you learn, know what happens, and we're going to continue to do what we gotta do for the rest of the week. And I'm gonna call it right there. I'm not gonna try to force trades and overtrade and chase my money that potentially could have had. It's not worth it. It's a no news Monday. We have the rest of the week. I'm not gonna trip off it. But I'm gonna catch you on the next one though. Thank y'all for watching. Peace out.